Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something exciting and delicious and very easy to prepare. This is chocolate crinkle by Maya. Thank you, Maya, for this. Yay, Melissa. See you soon. Mar, thank you for introducing me to Melissa. Um, we will open this package. We'll open this package and then mix everything. Okay. So it has two packets because the instruction says one packet makes pila gani 18 cookies. So we will make more than 18 cookies. Now, so I will need 2 whole eggs. 2 whole eggs and 4 tablespoons melted butter. Although in the recipe, it will only need oil. So ako na I will use butter. And then I have here some powdered sugar because we will roll the cookies in the in this one before baking. So let us combine our ingredients. Number 1. Ay, katiga. Ay, katiga. Dali lang ito na gunting. So, I will now have to open this. There. We are thankful that Maya has lots of variants. Ibala Maya, we used to know it as hot cake mix. Subong damo na sila, damo sila easy to prepare cakes. Imagine this one, you will make a lot of cookies with only butter or oil and eggs. Okay, so I will not use mixer. I'll just use a wooden spoon and then mixer Yan. And then this one. I melted the butter. Okay. Hindi ko kabalo si ayawan ko di ko ka ano. Umok mananggali. Because the recipe says here that you have to form this into dough. Diba si tiga-tiga okay here, oh. Asunto. You have to just blend everything. Ito dugay pa niya. I'll come back. Come back. Okay, so these are some of the things that I have, some of the cookies that I have molded and rolled over sweetened, powdered sugar. So this will go to the oven for 5 to 7 minutes only, dasig lang. But the recipe said that you have to avoid overheating and overstaying in the oven because the fudginess will not be there. So, dali lang. So, this is our chocolate crinkle. Salamat, Maya. Thank you, Maya. You can buy this in any grocery stores and then make one too. I tell you it is damit because I already beaten and eaten a piece. So, thank you everyone for watching Kaunta.